How to fix YouTube comments not showing problem. Hey guys, if you're unable to view YouTube comments on your device, I'm going to show you guys a few quick fixes to solve the problem. Without any delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first you need to do is open up YouTube application. So just tap on it to open it up. Now you can head over to any video or short that you want where you're facing the issue of not viewing the comments. So I'll just tap on this right here. And as you can see here, it's showing me 0 comments. If I tap on it, I'm not able to access any comments. I could do the same thing for the other chats or videos as well. So what happens is if your restricted mode is turned on, it will hide all of the comments on your video. So let me show you guys how you can turn off your restricted mode. For that, you can go over to the U section at the bottom right, tap on these settings at the top right, then go over to general, and then basically find the restricted mode here, tap on the toggle to turn it off, and you should be good to go. Now if I head back and go to any video here, I'm able to view all of its comments. And that's basically it, guys. This is how you can bring back your comments on YouTube. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.